In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. It's Monday, 27th April 2020. This English lecture is for grade 9. I am your teacher, Miss Neelam Shaheen. I hope you all will be fine, well, safe and healthy. The topic for our today's lecture is Unit number 10, page 95, Technology in Everyday Life. The main points which we are going to discuss in this chapter is the definition of technology, importance of technology, uses of technology in various fields, health sciences industry, communication, agriculture industry and transportation. What actually is technology? Before going into the details, let us find out what is the definition of technology. Technology is any invention, method or process used to enhance or improve the way things are done. What does this definition mean now? This definition means that technology is anything, any object, any machinery which speeds up our work. In simple words, technology is innovation. Now what is the meaning of the word innovation? It means creating something new, completely new, or adding more effective and efficient qualities to the already existing objects. Now what is the importance of technology? How is it important? The importance of technology is undeniable. Undeniable means unquestionable. Nobody can question its importance. It has added to our lives. It has become the part of our life. It has reached our homes, schools and offices. Like around us, wherever we see, so there is technology or technological items. Life without technology is very strenuous, if not impossible. If we cannot say that life without technology is impossible, but at least we can say that it is very strenuous. Strenuous means hard or difficult. The offshoots of technological development have stretched out to diverse fields. The offshoots, the branches of technology are spread out into various fields, different fields. Uses of technology in various fields. The significance of technology will get more intelligible if we dwell on the various fields in detail. The significance of technology will get more intelligible. The meaning of intelligible is understandable. If we dwell on, if we discuss in detail, or if we observe carefully the various fields in detail. So now one by one we are going to discuss those fields in detail. The first one is health sciences industry. Health sciences industry or medical industry. So let's see how technology is used in health sciences department or industry. Technology is of great use in the field of health sciences. Modern electronic equipment have improved the quality of treatment as well as the survival chances from different ailments, diseases. Okay, so like the modern electronic equipments, like here we are having here the picture of an X-ray machine, here this MRI scan or the CT scan. So through the use of these electronic equipments, we are able to treat the people beforehand, like even if the person is suffering from a certain kind of disease, so his disease can be detected at a very early stage and later on he can be treated. It has enabled the doctors to discover most health problems while they are in the developing stage and treat them before they develop into advanced stages. Okay, in the very earlier stage, developing stages, like the very earlier, the first stages, the beginning stages, the doctors are able to discover or to detect that ailment, that illness or that disease and to treat it before it develops into advanced stages. Advanced stages like more crucial stages. Once the disease is in its early stages, the doctors are able to treat it quickly, but once it develops into the advanced stages like the crucial stages, then it is very hard for the patient to survive. Next we are having with us communication. Okay, now how technology works in communication. Communication means to keep in touch or to have a contact Technology has made the communication across the globe very easy, across the world very easy. The invention of the internet has changed the world into a global village. Okay, the meaning of global village is to view upon the world to be a single community where the people can easily interact or have an easy access to each other. People can communicate with each other through video calls, emails, and many other social media platforms. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Business owners have created business websites for the easy and quick selling of their products where customers can click on their desired items to buy them in the comfort of their homes. Now the business owners who own certain businesses, so what have they done? They have created business websites for their products, and while sitting at the comfort of their homes, means while sitting comfortably at your homes, you are able to click on the desired items which you need to buy, and you can buy it very quickly and it will arrive to your doorsteps within no time. In the past, communication was limited to letter writing and waiting for postal services to deliver your message. Okay, in the past, even before the postal services came into existence, before that there was a messenger who would carry the letter far, far away, even for thousands of miles. So the person who would have written the letter, he would have to wait for his letter to be posted or to be delivered to the desired person even for months, not only weeks but for months even. Now you can draft a business message in email or fax it in seconds without any delay. But now the social media or like the communication, the technology has speeded up our work, and what happens, like within no time you are able to deliver your message to any person, and as soon as he receives your email or fax, so he will answer you back as quickly. The evolution of the telephone into the modern portable cellular phones have taken the communication a notch higher, as it not only interconnects people but is also coupled with lots of fun features like games, music, etc. Now evolution means the development or like the further progress of the telephone. You can say that the modern mobile phones or cellular phones are the example of telephone, means they are the latest version of telephone. Okay, portable means something which can be carried easily, so it has taken the communication a notch higher. Notch higher means a step higher or a level higher. Okay, how it has taken the communication a level higher? Because you are able to connect to any person, or you are able to talk to any person at any time and wherever you are. Okay, and it is also paired with lots of fun features like games and music. So not only you can interact with people through your mobile phones, but also you can play certain games and can listen to music, etc. Okay, now let's see how technology works in agriculture industry. Technology has been of great benefit to agriculture industry. It is now possible to determine the climatic changes and conditions that favor various plants. Okay, so like beforehand we are being told about the climatic conditions of an area and as well as the weather conditions, so we are able to know which plants can grow in what type of area or what kind of climatic condition. Today it is possible to grow crops in a desert by using agriculture biotechnology. Okay, through agriculture biotechnology, certain such technology is used that even the crops can grow in the deserts as well. Through biotechnology, plants have been engineered to survive in drought conditions. Okay, certain such kind of traits or such kind of qualities are exerted or introduced into the plant's genes, that it is able now for the plant to survive in the drought condition. Drought means extremely dry condition. Through genetic engineering, scientists have managed to introduce traits into existing plants' genes with the goal of making crops resistant to drought and pests. Okay, through genetic engineering, what have these scientists done? They have introduced such kind of qualities to the plants to the already existing plants means there is no new plant. The same plants, but to their genes certain kinds of qualities are exerted through which they are able to resist, to stand against drought, dry condition and pest, disease causing insects. Now transportation. Transportation is one of the basic areas of technological activity. What is transportation? Transportation means conveyance. Okay, such kind of technology which can carry the people and the items from one place to another, to transport. Okay, both businesses and individuals have benefited from the new technologies in travel industry. Okay, so travel is one part of transportation, so it has speed up our work. Next point is transportation has become as important as food, clothing and shelter. Okay, like the transport system is now the cars, the vehicles, the airplanes, all these things have become as important as food, clothing and shelter. They have become like the basic needs of our lives. Now we use advanced transport means like cars, trains, ships and airplanes. Like in the past, the people used to travel long distancing while riding on camels and horses, but then there came the technology, and with the introduction of the transport means like cars, trains, ships and airplanes, they speed up our work. Okay, now coming towards the conclusion of the topic, what have we learned over there and what can we conclude? The positive effects of technology have brought progress to our world and allowed us to reach new heights that were never conceived of before, about which we have never thought before. Like the technology has taken the world to such progress that even the people were unable in the past even to think about it. They were having only just ideas. Without technology, our life will be left as stagnant. Stagnant means motionless, progressiveless. Now here is the list of all the difficult words that has appeared in your book, in your textbook, in the topic, in the same topic, technology in everyday life. Okay, so you need just to take a screenshot and save them with you, and if possible kindly learn them as well, because they will be very handy to you. Now home assignment. Here is a homework for you. Read the lesson carefully, because we have taken only the important points in bullets from the lecture. So you have to go through this lecture. If there is any difficulty in any of the meanings, so the list is already provided to you. Write question number 1 and question number 2 in a rough notebook. Okay, if you do not have any rough notebook, so at least you should attempt these questions on a page. Okay, solve MCQs 1 to 5 given on page number 99 in your books. Okay, so you have to solve those MCQs as well. Hope you have understood the lecture. Hope it is easier for you, and thank you so much for watching. Kindly take a very good care of yourself. Stay inside your homes. Try to not leave your homes unnecessarily and avoid social contact. Okay, I hope you all the very best. Thank you.